Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. I ordered JBL Flip 7 from Temu, and since I am Temu affiliate, feel free to use my coupon code for some shopping discount on your order. You will find the code right here in the video description. Let's talk about JBL Flip 7. This speaker comes in various colors. JBL Flip 7, this is a wireless portable speaker that packs a serious punch. You are getting up to 16 hours of playtime, plus it is IP68 waterproof, dust proof and drop proof, so it is a perfect for outdoors and indoors alike. The sound is driven by JBL Pro sound with AI boost, which keep distortion low and clarity high. It also features Urecast for multi-speaker connection, so you can link it up with multiple units for stereo spread. In terms of power, the speaker output goes from 35 watts to 70 watts maximum with frequency response of 20 kHz. Connectivity is connected via Bluetooth and Urecast, and it runs in stereo mode. Input voltage is 3.63 volts, and it is a tabletop mountable 2 amplifier channel. Frequency range 60 Hz to 20 kHz. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, smartphone. Just remember, you need JBL portable app to use it. In the box, you get JBL Flip 7 itself, a carabiner, a quick start guide and safety sheet, plus warranty card. Now we are going to unbox it, then connect it to my mobile phone and test the audio. So this is carabiner and information pack. Here we go. This is what it looks like. JBL Flip 7. Switch this speaker on and off from this button. So minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is pause and play. This button is to increase the volume. This button is to connect to Urecast, connect to multiple devices, and this button is Bluetooth. So JBL Flip 7 doesn't come with charger, but you need the charger, this sort of charger, to plug it to the power. So you need Type-C charger to charge the speaker. For factory reset, press and hold the pause and play button and volume up button together for 2 seconds. So press pause and play and volume button 2 seconds for factory reset. Going to connect this to mobile phone, so switch the speaker on from this button. Then Bluetooth button is highlighting. The next thing to do is we're going to go to mobile phone, download JBL portable app. So this is JBL portable app and the speaker is found. You can see the speaker is picked up, so select connect. Bluetooth enabled and is connecting. Setup device, select setup. Your device is ready, then select done. Then go to the app. So the speaker is connected and this is the speaker. Software update is available and also the battery is 70%. Software update, select software update. New version, select update. Estimated time remaining 1 minute. Update successful. Then let's party. Equalizer. So you got JBL signature, chill, energetic, vocal, and custom. And also party time boost. Boost up sound and prolong play time. Stereo group. So this is JBL signature. So you have chill, energetic. So these are the equalizer available. You can also custom the equalizer by yourself by toggling it up or down. So these are equalizer. So you can custom it low, mid, and high. You can also go back and select JBL signature or chill. This is where the carabiner goes. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. Play my playlist. Thank you very much indeed. This speaker deserves your attention. JBL Flip 7.